Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Sayyid Osama Aziz. Welcome back to another video. Today I would like to show you some very interesting 3D printed optical illusions. There are some very interesting objects, so without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first optical illusion that I would like to talk about is the 3D printed frozen splash cup. This is one of my personal favorite optical illusions, and imagine this type of object being placed at your side table in a bedroom or alongside your laptop in a workstation. This looks really cool. I would let you people to decide how cool this type of illusion looks. It gives an illusion of a time stoppage, and it feels like that the milk coming out of the cup and the splash is frozen in time, and it really can trick some of your friends. Because this type of object has overhangs, so my recommendation would be to always print such objects in multiple parts, smaller parts, and then glue them together. Here I have first 3D printed its splash, and because it is going to be at the bottom, so I have 3D printed it with 85% infill. So the majority of the weight of this object is here in this splash part. Secondly, there is this stream. I hope the camera is able to focus it. Okay, so this stream part has to be very light, and it is 3D printed with only 5% infill. And third is this cup, and this cup is also, which is floating in the air, is also 3D printed at only 5% infill. Now gluing these three objects together creates this floating cup or frozen splash cup illusion, and it looks really cool. The second type of illusion that I would like to show you in this video is also very interesting. It is called Sugihara's ambiguous cylinders. Now, Sugihara Kikichu is the name of the person who developed these type of objects and illusions. Why it is called ambiguous? Because, well, I would like to show you. Here, this is the illusion, and at the top surface you can see that it looks like a square, and then the bottom the entire part is a cylinder. So it is also called a square cylinder, but as soon as I rotate this object and make it like this, it looks like a circular surface at the top. Now this creates an illusion based upon the perspective from where you look at it. If you're looking at this object from this perspective, it looks like a circular cylinder. But if I rotate this object and make it like this, it appears to be like a square cylinder. So these type of illusions are also called square circle cylinders or ambiguous cylinders. Third type of illusions that I would like to discuss in this video are the anti-gravity structures, or rather objects that give you an illusion that something is moving anti-gravity. Here I have this object that you can see, which is one of the anti-gravity structures, and I would like to give you a demo how it works. So let's see it in action. I would place a ball at each corner of this object, and you will see that it appears to be moving against the gravity to the surface which is at the top. But basically what is happening is that the surface is basically lower compared to the four edges, and as soon as I break the perspective, you will see that how the ball is not going upwards, but actually it is moving towards the gravity, but it is just an illusion based upon how we are viewing these objects. Okay guys, so I hope that you liked the concept that I showed in this video. These are some very interesting objects, and if you like these kind of stuff, then please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as well. I usually share these type of interesting videos, and well, that's it. That's the end of the video. Let's meet into the future videos. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.